Hello students, I hope all of you are fit and fine. I am Sarita and I will take your biology. Now in biology, we will start from chapter 1, food, where does it comes from. Now in this session, we will cover the topics that are food, importance of food, varieties of food, ingredients, sources of food, of plants and animals. Food. Food is one of the most important thing of our life. It is eaten daily to provide energy to our body. We all know that energy is required for any machine or an engine to work. Our car gets energy from burning petrol or diesel. Electric train use electrical energy to run. Similarly, living thing also needs energy to grow and perform various activities. Living thing gets energy from the food we eat. Food is the fuel of our body because it provides energy. Now, what is the importance of food? Food helps us to perform daily activities. Second, it provides energy to our body. Third, it helps in growth and development. Fourth, it helps us fit and healthy. And fifth, it provides protection from various germs and diseases. Varieties of food. We have different kinds of food available with us like rice, roti, bread, vegetables, puri, dhokla, upma and much more. They are made up of different raw materials. Now, as we see in north, mostly the people like to eat puris, bhaji. In south, people eat dosa, idli. In east, people eat doi, misti doi, like puri, shaak, another thing. In west, dhokla, upma, like this type. So in each region, different kinds of food is available. Ingredients. The materials that are needed to prepare a cuisine or food item is called ingredients. Suppose if we make dal, what do we need? Ingredients which we need are pulses, water, salt, spices, etc. If we are preparing rice, what do we need? Raw rice grain, salt and water. Like that, roti, we are using wheat powder, that is atta, water and salt. Now I will explain about sources of food. Have you ever thought from where this food comes from? Where do this rice, dal, chapati, whatever we are eating, where does it comes from? Or milk, butter, ghee, all these food items, from where it is coming? Yes, rice, dal, grains are coming from plants, whereas milk, butter, ghee, honey, all these food items are coming from animals. So we can say that sources of food is of two types. First, plant products, and second, animals product. From plant products, we can say that cereals and pulses are coming, fruits and vegetables, plants, oil, seeds. Now cereals. What are cereals? Rice, jowar, bajra, maize, all this comes under cereal. Whereas in pulses, tuer dal, moong dal, arad, and then chana, rajma, soya bean, all of these things are coming under pulses. Next is fruit and vegetables, which are plant products are there which we are eating. Thirdly, plants, oil seeds are coming from plants. Secondly, animal products like milk and milk products, eggs, mutton, chicken, fish, honey, all these are milk products which is source of food. Do you know plants are known as producer? Why? Because plants are producing their own food. Now, we animals and human beings are dependent on plants. So, we animals and human beings are known as consumer. Plant is producer and we are consumer. Now, how does plant prepare food? Plants prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Now, in photosynthesis, what happens? In the presence of sunlight and water, so This is the process in which plants are preparing food, which is known as photosynthesis. So that's why the green plants are known as producer. In photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide from the air and water from the root, and in the presence of sunlight, in chlorophyll, they synthesize them all the things, and then glucose is released and also oxygen and water is released. Now, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green pigment in the leaves which traps sunlight and which helps in making the food, that is glucose. Plant as a source of food. We get major part of our food from green plants. We get cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, spices, oil, sugar and beverages from plants. Various parts of plants such as roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruits and seeds are used as food by us. The part of the plant which can be eaten are called edible plants. Now, root, carrot, turnip, radish, etc. can be eaten. In stem part, sugar cane, onion, ginger, potato are edible. Leaves, mint, spinach, cabbage, lettuce, etc. Flowers, cauliflowers, banana flower, broccoli, pumpkin flower and so on. In fruits, apple, guava, mango, grapes are eaten. In vegetables like beans, cucumber, brinjal, peas and so on are the parts. In seeds, wheat, rice, kidney beans, cumin seeds, etc. Nuts, cashew nuts, almonds, walnuts and groundnuts. Now, animals as source of food. We get food items like milk, eggs, meat and honey from animals. Milk. We get milk from cow, buffaloes and goats. Milk is used to prepare butter, cheese, ghee, curd, ice cream, etc. Second, eggs. We get eggs from hen, turkeys and ducks. Eggs are a rich source of proteins and vitamins. Third, meat. We get meat, that is a source of protein, from hen, duck, goat and fish. Fourth, honey. We get honey from honeybees. It is a tasty and nutritious food item and is used to make Ayurvedic medicines. The rearing of honeybees on a large scale is called apiculture. Nectar. Do you know how nectar is produced? Sweet juice that is prepared by the flowers of the plants. Honeybees suck the nectar from flowers of the plants and convert the nectar inside their body to make honey, and then it is stored in the beehives. This is how the honey is prepared.